Hi besties, come with me as I tell you a little story about this video. So I was going to cook for my school mother for her birthday. This lady is a medical doctor currently on a housemanship, and she has been a big part of my pharmacy journey. So if you see me smiling, excited in this pharmacy school, she's one of the people praying for me, encouraging me, motivating me, and letting me know that everything is going to be alright because this impact she has passed it. So I was like, okay, I was going to get her a frame, but I could not find a good vendor, so I just had to cook for her. A few days to the birthday, I took a road trip down to where she was doing a housemanship, and then I went to the market on this day to a day to the birthday, and I decided to make egusi soup. After cooking the soup, I had to pack them into this takeaway for proper storage and everything. And I tried to that this soup was going to like reach three takeaway packs. It was just so this country is bad. Economy is dangerous. So anyway, I cooked this soup. Guys, it looked nice. After that, I decided to like prep the chicken and the beef I got from the market that I was going to use to make stew and jollof rice and like some other After that, I proceeded to making semo. Don't mind as I'm struggling with this spatula or is it turning gari? Just that it was bigger than my hand. Aside that, my semo is soft and without lumps. So I cut it into nylon and just for me to make sure that it's hot. I share my former life, I did not work in restaurants or I did not have a mama put because what's all these rolling skills for? Wow. I repeated the same method like 2 to 3 times and then I proceeded into making the stew. The chicken and the beef that I used for this stew, I had to fry them. So after frying, I just did the stew and I added them into the stew. Shasha. Also, I was taking this stew was going to get into 3 rubbers so that it would last her for like a longer time and just in case she had friends coming over. Guess what? Yes, it was just 2 rubbers again. Two takeaway. Sha, it's not that bad because it's too big takeaway. I could have been very, very angry to the small one. See my stew now. If not for this, my school that does not allow cooking. What is Idabasi Academy that I have not registered for? What is this Idabasi class that I will not register for? Because why I'm not registering? Because like what's the need of registering and not actually practicalizing what you're being taught? If I was allowed to cook in school, trust me, I will register. So if you're at home and you don't have anything doing for now, or you have an opportunity to actually practicalize, better go and register. It's just 50K. If I was in your shoes, I could have used the opportunity very well because you learn more than 1,000 plus something dishes. I think 100 and something though, and like plus plating and costing and some other things, and you have opportunity to win big prizes. You guys better go and register because if I was in your shoes, I would have registered. So my last food for the day was a Ferrero, and trust me, guys, a lot of miracles happened in this food because it was when I was almost done that I realized that there was no oil, and so like there was not enough oil for me to make the soup. But I thank God I was able to improvise. Anyway, this one was still 2 packs. You guys, 2 packs. 2 packs in this economy. I'm sure grateful this food came out nice and amazing. I'm sure she's going to love it. She's going to be very, very happy. I'll be making another batch of food tomorrow. So do well to comment so that you'll be brought back to watch the part 2 of the video. This is just me displaying everything I cooked plus the star of the show, which is no. You guys know it's amazing. Is it the no chicken? Is it the no beef? Honestly, I don't even know which and which most times, but because both of them do amazing job in food. I don't know, are you a no beef person or are you a no chicken person? Because for me, I they use all of them na collabo. Let me know in the comment section. No beef or no chicken. All I cooked for my school mother's birthday part 2. So first thing first, guys, I woke up and I was so excited as if it was my birthday. And yeah, this day was like the main birthday day. So I dived into the kitchen really early. See, my skin is glowing. And we started off with our hot pot of jollof rice because she had a lot of people she wanted to gift. So made hot pot of jollof. Guys, jollof rice was given. After which I already like grated my cocoyam and water yam, and she wanted ekpan cocoa. I don't know, she just like this Akwa Ibom Calabar food very much because of me. Sha, oh la la la. So I made it for her. This food takes time. Don't mind the fact that it's looking very fast. It takes time. I wrapped everything with so much love and passion. The first part of this was already added with like crayfish. I already added like a lot of things. Then the second part, I'm just adding the oil, the fish, the meat, and other things, the spice, everything I needed to put here. And then I'm going to add hot water because you don't boil it with normal water. You have to use hot water to boil it. I don't know how to explain this whole process. But if you want to learn how to cook this, go and register for Eda Basis class. She's having a class and it's just 50K. So go and register there. Why the Epan cocoa was on the fire cooking because it requires a lot of time to cook. I had to start mixing the batter for this much up. So we're making samosa, spring roll, and puff puff. So I was mixing the batter here for the puff. I didn't even know this was pouring like this. Sure, I was mixing here for the puff puff, and also I was going to mix the one for the wrap for the samosa and spring roll. I don't know if I really videoed that part. And she came from the hospital. She came to see what I was doing, and she was just like, "All these things for me, all these things for me." She was just screaming. While that of the puff was resting, I went straight into dicing everything in there for the small chops. So I had to like cut my carrots, my cabbage, the meat I was going to use, and all that. I could not really video so much into details because like I was out of time. I was actually running out of time. So we needed to be done with everything by 2. That was the target I had for myself, but I finished around 3. So I was working very, very fast with time. Yeah, so I went to check on our Ekman cookware, guys. It was ready. It was ready. I said I allowed it to boil some more, but like it was ready. Everything was perfect. I finally dished everything. I could not video the process of making the smooches, but this was everything I made. This jollof rice barely made it into the takeaway part because it was almost finished. The Ekman cookware was tasty. The small chops were beautiful. I made more, but this was the ones I could just arrange on this cute little tray for the main pictures. But guys, that was all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.